The biggest surprise for me was the energy and the positive outlook of Malagasy people and how they confront every day a set of problems, and they solve those problems every day. They manage to feed themselves, feed their children, and try to get ahead, try to learn something every day, and try to learn languages, but also learn how to be entrepreneurs and small business people. And the amount of energy that they apply every day to problems has been really an inspiration to me. Malagasy students, when they're speaking with me, are speaking obviously in their third language. Malagasy is their first, French is their second, and generally with them, I'm speaking English. And so I find that they're doing very, very well with their English, that this is their third language, and for them to be taking courses where all they hear is English, to listen to native English speakers, and to be able to write essays and so on in English and read novels. I think they're very, very talented, and there's a very bright future for them. We've had several wonderful meetings of English conversation clubs where people get together because they want to speak English, and we play games and have some language lessons, talk about culture, use the map, and in general, people have really young Malagasy students are very interested in learning English. Yes, I will never forget you. Thank you.